Good morning, and thank you for joining us. This is the weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, August 4th. Some key points here for the upcoming week. We will see some isolated storms today. They will become more widespread as we get into Thursday and especially Friday. Winds will pick up as well Friday and into the weekend with some slightly cooler temperatures. And then as we get into next week, it does look to be mainly dry outside of a few high elevation showers and storms. Taking a look at the current satellite loop this morning, you can see a few lingering clouds across central and northern Idaho this morning, but around our portion of the state, generally pretty quiet out there right now, although temperatures are a bit warm in spots. As far as weather impacts are concerned, again, we do have that isolated storm chance today, mainly across the higher terrain. But as we do move into Thursday and Friday, those rain chances and storm chances will increase quite a bit as we have a front moving through the area. That front will bring some cooler temperatures behind it as well as leaving some breezy conditions around as we get into the weekend. As far as high temperatures are concerned today, it's going to be warmer than what we've seen the last few days now that we've gotten rid of all that cloud cover across the area. So as you can see, temperatures generally around normal, maybe perhaps slightly above normal as you get into the Magic Valley, but nothing overly unusual, but certainly warmer than what we've seen the last few days. Those relative humidity values will remain low, but not on the critical side here today. As we move into the day tomorrow, expecting those warmer temperatures to stick around, and this will be the last day, as Friday will be much cooler, as we'll see here in a second. But those RH values, again, low, but not expecting any critical levels, especially with all the rain that we've seen the last few days. Really no fire weather concerns here over the next couple of days, at least. But as we get into Friday, you see things change significantly as those temperatures are quite a bit cooler than what we will see today and on Thursday, with generally mid to upper 70s expected across the Snake Plain, with temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s across the higher terrain. So certainly quite a bit cooler than what we've seen here the last couple of days. With those cooler temperatures and with the precip around, as you might expect, are really low humidity concerns on Friday. It will be windy, however, across a good portion of the area, especially as you get out into the INL and across the desert. But even in the Snake Plain and some of the higher terrain areas in the South Hills, certainly expecting some breezy conditions on Friday, and those will continue as well as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures on Saturday start to slowly recover from the cooler temps on Friday, generally still running a couple of degrees below normal, but nothing drastically cool by any means, generally around 80 to lower 80s across a good portion of the area on Saturday. Saturday will be much drier, so as you might expect, we'll start to see some of those minimum afternoon RHs kind of creep down a little bit, but again, well above critical levels as we get into Saturday. Those winds will remain breezy, as I said. Doesn't look, at least as of right now, doesn't look quite as breezy as Friday, but still noticeably breezy across the area, especially across the desert. So again, we do have a very isolated storm chance today with a more widespread shower and storm activity expected Thursday and Friday. Breezy on Friday and into the weekend as well, with some slightly cooler temps. And as we get into next week, generally looks dry for a good portion of the area. If you need any additional weather information, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for joining us and have a great Wednesday.